Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what you see here is called a Parallam beam. It's an engineered beam. So what these people want to do here is they want to have an open concept. So this used to be a load-bearing wall here, and then there was another beam that went across, and then that's what supported upstairs. But because they want an open concept here, they removed the load-bearing wall, so they put a temporary wall in here to support that side there, and then they put the beam in. But with these beams, you're allowed to drill them, but you have to drill them in very specific spots. So middle third, middle third. So if this beam is, we'll say 15 feet by looking at it, only the middle 5 feet you're allowed to drill. And then from top to bottom, this beam is probably about a foot. You can only drill in the middle 4 inches. Also, you want to drill the smallest hole needed to do whatever you want, because guys, this is structure. If you butcher something like this, you have a massive fix on your hands to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at one other Parallam beam. Alright guys, so this is another example of a Parallam beam. It actually says Parallam right there, but it's an engineered beam. So they've done the correct thing here, that they've drilled in the middle. So this is a load-bearing wall. This is a shear wall because it has plywood. So this is load-bearing as well. And then that carries the load from the one side. We come over, and then you have 2 studs there. There should be actually one over to the right to carry the load of this here. But guys, these are beams. These are engineered beams. They used to use 2x8s, 2x10s, doubled up, stuff like this was the old style. You can drill these things, but there are things you need to know. Middle third. You cannot notch them or anything else. If you mangle one of these beams, it'll be very expensive to fix. But guys, this is just one of the other parts of wood frame that you need to know if you want to go ahead and do DIY work. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.